Classification of movement skills on a continuum in sport. Environmental continuum. Sports skills can be classified based on how they are affected by the sporting environment. Environmental stimuli include other people, terrain, surface, weather, and situation. Closed skills. Not affected by the environment. Self-paced and occur in fixed or predictable situations. The performer uses the same technique consistently. Example: gymnast performing a floor routine. Open skills. Affected by the environment. Externally paced and require decision-making and adaptation. Performers must respond to a changing or unpredictable environment. Example: making a pass in ultimate frisbee. Most skills fall between the two extremes on the environmental continuum. Pacing continuum. Skills vary based on who controls the speed of movement. Self-paced skills. Internal. Controlled by the performer. Performer decides when to execute the skill. Usually found in closed skills. Example: throwing javelin in athletics. Externally paced skills. Controlled by the environment. Involve decision-making and reaction. Opponent or external factors determine the pace of performance. Mainly found in open skills. Example: a goalkeeper in handball reacting to the direction of the ball. Skills can be positioned at different points on the pacing continuum. Complexity continuum. Skills can be classified based on their level of complexity or difficulty. Basic skills, simple skills. Foundation of more complex skills. Generic and fundamental movements. Must be mastered before attempting complex skills. Example: running, jumping, throwing, catching, and striking. Complex skills. More difficult in sport, specific. Involve intricate movements requiring high coordination and control. Example: tennis serve, discus throw, vault in gymnastics. Mental skills such as interpretation and decision-making contribute to complexity. Most skills fall somewhere between basic and complex on the complexity continuum, gross and fine continuum. Skills are classified based on muscle movement and precision required. Gross skills involve large muscle movements, lack precision, but include fundamental patterns like walking and running. Example: tackle in rugby. Fine skills require precise movements using small muscle groups, involve high levels of hand-eye coordination and detail. Example: snook shot, dart throwing. Many movements incorporate both gross and fine skills to some degree. Coaching methods. Visual guidance. Performers can see the skill being performed or practiced. Includes demonstration, images, videos, and observation. Helps beginners and skilled performers refine specific elements. Technology can be utilized to provide visual guidance and analysis. Verbal guidance and feedback. Given by an observer coach after watching the performance. Coaching points, feedback, peer feedback, and questioning. Feedback should be constructive, specific, and accurate. Common language and terminology enhance communication. Manual guidance. Physical guidance or support provided by the coach, sometimes called physical manipulation, given during practice, not performance. Guidelines from governing bodies ensure appropriate use. Mechanical guidance. Equipment or aids used to assist in learning and practicing skills. Commonly used at the early stages of learning. Examples: floats in swimming, harness for trampolinists. Provides safety, confidence, and allows for skill development. High-tech methods available at the elite level of sports. Note: the classification of movement skills on these continua helps understand the characteristics and requirements of different skills in sports.